Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue mobile data on but internet not working. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on this settings app icon, go down, select general management, go down, tap on reset, go down. Here we can see reset mobile network settings. Tap here. This will reset all mobile network settings. Tap on reset settings, then tap on this reset button. Done. Network settings reset. After this reset operation, we can go back and check internet. This time internet should work. So this way, by resetting mobile network settings, we should be able to fix all mobile network and internet related issues.